This is episode 2 of our crew cab series. If you missed the first episode, we essentially did a walk around of the truck, talked about the good, talked about the bad, and the worst thing about it is it's got an engine tick, and that's got to go. So we put some Lucas motor oil in there, some of that real thick stuff. We put it down in there, I think about a quart of it, maybe a little bit more, and we was hoping it would lubricate whatever that noise was and quiet it down. Well, it did quiet it down, but it did not go away, and we're gonna make it go away in this episode. We've got everything hooked up, ready to go. We're gonna go ahead and start it and let you listen to it before we tear into it. I think it sounds better than it did, but you can be the judge of that. So it's obviously still there, and we're gonna tear into it now and find out what that is. We've got everything cleared out of the way. Now we're gonna take the valve cover off and see what's inside.
Smells burnt as fuck.
Almost like gear oil.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I don't think it's that Lucas, is it?
Surely not. I bet they fucking got it low on oil or something.
Let me see. Bracket's kind of fucking me. What's this bracket?
Spark plug, I think. I can bend it out of the way if needed. If it's getting in your way.
I think it's more the AC bracket.
Oh my gosh.
Let me see how much I can pick it up back here.
There we are. The valve cover is off. But there is no signs of damage in here. Everything seems to be connected and tight. Now we're gonna put the battery back in there, take out the ignition fuse and crank it over and see if we can see it doing anything wrong. We've got the fuel pump relay out of this thing, and now Bryce is gonna turn it over and we're gonna examine, see what we can see. Yeah. Starter was so loud I couldn't hear anything. Couldn't hear it tick or anything. All right, do it again. We did not find any damage to the push rods. We did, however, see several major oil leaks on this thing. So that has helped us determine that we're gonna go ahead and pull this 4.3 out along with the transmission, take the whole drivetrain out, find out what's wrong with it, re-gasket it, seal it all up, and reinstall this thing. So that's it for episode 2. Make sure you stay tuned for episode 3. Like, subscribe.
Where are we going at?
Going back a little bit more and then we're gonna set her down. All right. Crew cab drivetrain removed.